Hi, I'm Holly from Product Management, and let me welcome you to a new hobby. I love hobbies, and I love things that let me be creative, so this really hits the spot. But when starting something new, it's so hard to know where to begin, right? That's what I'm here for today. We've put together a starter kit of sorts with everything you need to create cute cards like these. With one item code, you get the Hoot Hoot Hooray stamp set in Cling, more on that in a moment, which is designed with open light art images, so they're super easy to color. A clear block to mount it to, an ink pad in basic gray, 20 blank note cards and envelopes in Whisper White, and a set of 13 watercolor pencils, chosen because they're so simple and so easy to use, and they're fun. So, first things first. Hoot Hoot Hooray comes in our red rubber cling stamps. Red rubber stamps very nicely, creating a clean, crisp image. And the cling refers to the label on the back of the stamp. It clings like crazy to your block, so you don't have any sliding or shifting. When you get your cling mount stamps, you need to take your stamp, peel off the back, just like that. Take its sticker, peel off its back, and then take your stamp and mount it, lay it directly on top of your sticker, and then, just like magic, it adheres to the back of your stamp. Then take your stamp and mount it right on your block, just where you want it to be. Open up your ink pad, like so, and then just tap right on. And now for stamping. Grab your note card. Note cards and envelopes are awesome because they are pre-cut and pre-scored and ready to go. All you need to do is stamp them up to make a quick project. Just like that. See? So easy. But now we need some color. That's what the watercolor pencils are for. These are called watercolor pencils because you can color with them dry, like this, or you can use just a little bit of water over what you've just colored to create kind of this watercolor look. And then you would continue on in any of the colors that you choose. So you can keep your projects simple like this, or you can step it up a little by adding some layers. For this, I'm going to take a 2 1/4 inch punch and some dimensionals, which aren't included in the kit because this is completely optional. It just adds some visual interest to your projects. I'm going to take a piece of cardstock, punch out my 2 1/4 inch hole just like this, then take a note card, put my little 2 1/4 inch circle right there. Let's get all of this out of the way. Ink up my stamp, and then ink it on my circle and also off just a little bit. I would color it however I wanted to, then add a dimensional to pop it on the back, just like that, to create a beautiful project just like this one. Now at the end of crafting, you want to clean up a little bit. Our classic inks are water-based, so when you're finished stamping, you can simply run your stamp under tap water and clean off all the ink, or you can purchase our Simply Chamois, which is on page 15 of the beginner brochure. It also uses water and makes it really, really easy to clean your stamps. See? Just like that. Then you need to remove your clinged stamp from its block. You peel it off very slowly, just like that. and put it back in your stamp case. Don't forget, we have other easy, simple to use products for our beginner stampers. You can check out our full selection of beginner products in our Experience Creativity brochure. If you love coloring and want to try more coloring options, be sure to contact your local demonstrator or check out our full selection on our website, stampitup.com. Thanks, everyone!